In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get double luck here in Sailor Piece on Roblox. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, the double luck game pass or the 2x luck game pass can be obtained by either trading with players or from buying it from the shop for about 649 Robux. To trade with players, just hit trade, find someone to trade with, and then of course you can trade with them just like so, or you can go into your shop and of course scroll down a little bit and you'll see it in here. This upgrade doubles your drop chance from enemies and bosses, so if an item normally has like a 1% drop rate, it's going to become a 2% drop rate. That might not seem like a lot, but for rare items, it does make a huge difference over time, and the more runs you do, the more value you actually get from it. This is especially useful when farming bosses or grinding for in-game materials, and it really is as simple as that. If you are serious about progressing, I definitely recommend getting this. And if you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below, and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.